No chance, sir. That's the problem. Because we developed internally in HTML code. So that never comes out of the your HTML. But I want to apply the styles for other pages, other programs also. But don't write inside, sir. Write open area like this. If you write open area like this program they can access, next program also they can access, and next program also they can access. Suppose our classroom, there are two projectors available. Who can see these screens, sir? Who are sitting in this room? Those only. Opposite one more classroom is there. Those students, they can see these screens, sir? No, sir. Because the screens placed inside the room. But the same screen, if I were placed in that corridor, a open area is there in a corridor. There, if I place the screen, anybody they can see. Why, sir? It's an open area, and this is the closed area. Internal, external difference is that one. It's internally developed used by that program only or that page only. Externally developed, they can use by the any program, any page, all over the website, anywhere we can use. All over the website. That is called as global styles. That is what I'm saying, sir. If you develop one CSS file like this, a.html, they can use this style. b.html, they can use this style. c.html, they can use this style. Login.html, they can use this style. Signup.html, they can use these styles. Like that, how many pages available in your website? Those all pages, they can use these styles. That is the external purpose. Global, related to anybody. While developing of these global styles, any rules and regulations we have to follow, sir? A box inside suggestions available. Observe 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers also there. No HTML code allowed. Because what is this, sir? CSS should contains pure CSS program only, pure CSS code only. So no HTML code is allowed. H1, hi, H2, how are you, H3, what's up? These things not allowed in the CSS. Next one, could at least can I use the style tag as sir? I'm writing CSS. So style tag I want to use it, sir. No, sir. Even style tag also doesn't accept. Because style is also tag HTML. So it is also not allowed. No HTML tags code, no HTML content, even though no style tag. Or how can write it, sir? Selectors. You have to use only selectors. Yesterday I mentioned, sir, this area is called as the selector. I'll show once again. See this. Is selectors only allowed. The selector allowed. Remaining things not allowed. Even a style tag also you should not use. Only a particular part you have to write. Selectors only allowed. That is the third point I mentioned clearly. It allows only selectors. It allows only selectors. With guidelines, sir. So write only selectors. Save with a name your choice. And name your interest, sir. But extension compulsory .css. A.css, B.css, test.css, demo.css, sample.css, anything okay. Or how HTML is linking to this file, sir? How it is connecting, sir? That is, we know very well, sir, by using the link tag. Lot of times we use a link tag, but setting of the logos. Now the same link tag we are using for mapping of the CSS and HTML programs. How, sir? Because syntax in the top of the screen available, sir, you can watch. There is syntax. Purana tag, a lot of times we use it, sir, with a different shade. Link followed by rel equals to style sheet. href equals to name of the CSS. Previously or daily what we are doing, rel equals to icon, href equals to image name, and every example available almost. There are small changes here. So this link tag, as usual, right in the header section. And which files are inside the HTML. Which HTML they want to access this style. Inside that HTML file, you have to write the link tag. If 10 HTML programs, they want to access my style, sir. 10 HTML programs, they must write the link compulsory. Hmm. When you are working with C programs, for 10 examples you are solving. 10 examples inside printf you are using. For 10 examples inside top of that what you are writing. Hash include, hash include, hash include, hash. Every example you must write. No choice. One Java candidate, you are using scanner class. For 10 examples, so I'm using scanner class. In 10 classes, 10 examples, ऊपर import to java.utl, import to java.utl. Compulsory. Last example I designed already. This example give the concession and not allowing. This example also you must be right. Like that, 10 HTML programs inside top of that one link tag compulsory. No choice. Compulsory. The external concepts are procedure. Advantage అయితే defining the common styles for all pages. Hmm. And how to link up this one, sir, and this. Next, where I have to save this file, sir. Your interest, sir, anywhere we can save. You know very well images knowledge, how to write the addresses of image. We know already hyperlinks knowledge also, linking of the one page to another. Like that, just follow the address and you can save anywhere. Where you saved, remember that, write that address in the href. Write that address inside the href. My suggestion, better save inside your folder. Means where HTML programs are there, in the same place maintain the CSS also. Your HTML program, which location you stored, same location, save the CSS. Now see the example, sir. First, I'm creating CSS file. Then I'm creating the HTML. So how to create the CSS file, sir? Three editors, theoretical I'm going to show you. First, my daily editor, Edit Plus. What is the procedure to create the CSS in Edit Plus? File menu, new, others, CSS, OK. Go to the file menu, click on the new option and go to the others. Select the CSS, OK. An empty CSS file is created. The daily HTML file I'm creating other like that empty CSS file is created. Empty file. Write your own code. After creating the file, then generally you are starting the typing. Once my code typing completed, I have to save. How to save, sir? A simple procedure, sir. Just a file name, enter. Even extension also not necessary. No need of the extension. Reason I already selected CSS file. The editor knows which program I'm creating. So no need of any extension, just file name, enter key. So save, just file name. No quotations required, no extension required. But what about the Notepad plus plus, sir? Notepad plus plus. File menu, new, that's all. An empty file is created, blank file. Next, sir, type the program. First type the program, then save it. After typing, go to the saving. How to save it, sir? Double quotations compulsory. File name is compulsory. .css also compulsory. Manually, you have to give everything. Quotations, name of the file, and including the extension. But edit plus nothing is required, sir. Yes, at the edit plus level of operation. Notepad plus plus it, you must follow this one. Next, sir, we are using VS Code, sir. VS Code. VS Code who are using already, you know that one option. But a plus symbol is available, sir. Click on the plus symbol. Left side plus symbol is available. Click on the plus symbol. So when you click on the plus symbol, an empty file is created. A new file created automatically. New file created. Next, what to do, sir? Save it. Save. Adi, typing after or before typing, your choice. Save it. Save. How to save, sir? File name dot CSS. Extension compulsory. Mandatory. So three editors, three different types of saving. See, observe that one. First editor, no extension, no quotation. Second editor, quotations compulsory, extension compulsory. And third editor, extension compulsory, quotations no need. Three different procedures. So one common point, sir, in all editors, first you have to type the program and then go to save. Type the program and then go to save. No, sir, first I want to save it, next I want to type it, sir. Your choice, sir. Order your interest. So type the program and go for the save. Otherwise, first to save the program and then go for the typing. As per your comfortability, you can follow. Procedure అయితే this one, three editors. So repeating the procedure once again, sir. Who are working with Edit Plus, those peoples go for File menu, New, Others, CSS, OK. An empty file is created. Type the program and save it. While saving time, just use the file name. No extra things. And who are working with Notepad++, sir. File, New. A blank file is created. So type the code and then save it. But while saving time, quotations compulsory, .css also compulsory. And VS Code candidates, you just directly click on the plus symbol. When you click on the plus symbol, an empty file is created and change the name of the file to file name so name dot CSS extension compulsory, name compulsory. But before typing, you want to save it. After typing, you want to save it to your convenience. Anything is okay, no objections in system. Which one best to not correct అమ్మా ఇక్కడ వెరైటీ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ వెరైటీ ఆఫ్ ఎడిటర్స్ యూజింగ్ అవుట్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఆల్ ప్రొసీజర్స్ అంతే which editor you are already using follow that procedure. Hmm? But best to guess to we can't decide that one. Hmm? Now see my notepad plus plus sir here. This is notepad plus plus. File menu, new. An empty file is created here. And next, file menu, save. While saving time, remember that my styles dot css and quotations also compulsory. And where I'm going to saving currently in our folder HTML 6 p.m. folder. In HTML 6 p.m. folder, directly I'm going to save it. Done. Program saved. Start the coding. First, I'm writing a small comment here. Comment style changed. Observe that one. There is CSS commenting style. But daily you are writing some different symbols, sir. This is HTML commenting style. This is HTML commenting, sir. This is CSS commenting, sir. JavaScript will get one more style. And 3 subjects, 3 different styles are available. By mistake, this comment if I write in CSS, program not executed. Simple thing. So I'm writing a small comment here, defining external styles. First we are defining and then applying. Applying in HTML, defining here. So follow the selectors H2. This is selector and H2 inside what we are expecting, that one we can write. Color equals to red. Next paragraph, one more selector. Color equals to blue. So 2 selectors I defined, one H2 and one paragraph. What is meaning of this, sir? But this style we can apply throughout your website, not in single page. Throughout your website, anywhere you can apply this style. And throughout your website, we can display the paragraphs in blue color. Throughout the website means, sir, a website is a collection of pages. In all these pages, H2 we can display as a red color if you are interested. In all these pages, how many paragraphs available? That all paragraphs are comes with the blue color. If I'm not interested that one, sir, don't link the program. Whenever you link the CSS, automatically red blue is going to apply. If you skip the linking, sir, you can follow your own styles. But this is linking process I'm explaining you. So this CSS file, how many HTML programs you mapped or you linked, those all HTML programs inside any H2 tag is there, those comes with the red color. In all these HTML programs inside, is there any paragraphs available? That all paragraphs are comes with the blue color. All 100%. If any one paragraph I need different styles, sir, write the inline CSS. Inline CSS. We can implement inline CSS, sir. A particular paragraph will get different style. Just 2 selectors, sir, not much more. And program I already saved. Then start the HTML. And regular coding, HTML coding. So first I'm saving HTML program. These are the routine statements, no changes in this one. Now one extra step, what's our enter link tag. Rel equals to style sheet. Generally, and as per my previous experiences, I'm saying, sir, when you are some students, when you are practicing this one, most 50% of cases, the program is not working. Reasons are the small concentration problem. Style sheets they are typing. Wrong, not accepted. Style sheet, singular pronunciation. And some students accidentally they are practicing with the style space sheet. That is also not accepted. I face a lot of situations like this in previous batches. With the concentration required. No space, no yes. CSS, cascading style sheets. Cascading style sheets. With that, our brain saying here also write sheets, write sheets, write sheets. Not accepted. Full form is sheets, but coding is sheet. Single. Next, href equals to right address of the your program. Address no need because both programs I saved in the same folder. So directly mystyles.css. So this is the linking step. It is called as linking step. Uh, Linking successfully done, sir. Once if you link up like this, sir. In this program, how many H2s available? All comes with red color. How many paragraphs available? All comes with blue color. Uh, Again, same I link it to example 43, sir. If I link it, in example 43 inside all H2s comes with red color, all paragraphs are comes with blue color. Like that, how many programs you are linking? That all programs red to blue forwarding, carry forwarding. When you want to stop that one, simply skip this linking step. How to download the Notepad++? You can Google search it, Amma. Open the Google, type the Notepad++ downloads. Automatically Google is showing. Open the Google, type the Notepad++ downloads. H2. Write something, sir. I need a small paragraph and heading that I'm just trying to copy. Huh? So one small heading, one small paragraph, and a small paragraph here. So this is, sir. Now styles applied or not, we have to check it. Coding at the completed, one H2 created and one paragraph also created. Just we have to cross check it, styles are applying or not. So run your example 42. This is heading is comes, H2 is comes with red color, paragraph is comes with blue color. So where is the style, sir? Not in our program. In our program, we don't have any CSS coding. The CSS code developed inside the other program, but that one is linked to this one. And the styles are automatically carry forwarding. If I write the more H2s, more paragraphs, sir. Your choice, sir. You can write any number of paragraphs, any number of H2s. All comes with the same uniform look. Not only in this program, next program also you can maintain the same styles. Just an idea purpose, one dummy program I'm writing here, one dummy program, testing purpose. Test.html, testing purpose, test.html. Link tag is done, sir. Same link. Then start the body tag, write the H2s. Some apple, H2 close. And once again, H2 mango and close the body, close the HTML. Save this program, run this one also. This is test.html. That is example 42.html. But both are following the same styles. Both are following the same styles. You copied one diagram in the notes, the theory scenario. I'll just show that picture. See this. This is the diagram what I explained in theory part. That is CSS. That styles followed by example 42 and the same styles also followed by test.css. A diagram that is what I represent. Like that 20 programs or 30 programs or 200 programs are your interest. By chance in future, if I make the changes in this style set, automatically reflects to all pages, not in one place. How many pages that depended on these styles, the reflection is goes to all that pages. Automatic, sir. Suppose green I said, hmm, go to the browsers and refresh it. Changes done. Go to the browser and refresh it. Because all are linking to same program, brother. In this location, if any changes happens, the impact is goes to all mapping programs. This is the concept of external set. So HTML program separated, CSS program separated. Observe the procedure. Why I explained the wife and husband, you will get an idea. First program inline CSS. Wife husband. Hmm? Same chair something. Next to internal CSS. The gap వచ్చింది. Why sir అంటే years running out కదా. First year, second year, third year. 5 years after. Oh, 7, 8, 10 years completed, sir. సో ఇన్లైన్ ఇంటర్నల్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ అది ప్రాసెస్ అది ఫ్యూచర్ మీరు కూడా అంతే అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ we discussed three models separately, right? Sir, is there any chance to write all the three models in the same program, sir? 100% possible, sir. 100% possible if you are interested either. In the same program, in same HTML, we are applying the inline styles, internal styles, and also external styles. 100% possible. By chance, if I apply the three styles, which style comes to the output, sir? A situation deciding that one. Situation. No rules, no regulations. But somebody they thought that one, YouTube or rubber tube or something. First priorities goes to external styles. One group of peoples. Another group of people, first priorities goes to the internal styles. No internal, no external, no priorities, sir. First come, first service process. No priorities. But we have a lot of cases, this type of wrong sentence. We'll work on that point, see that. So this is a small paragraph I'm continuing, sir. Oh. For demonstration, all styles in the same program. All three styles. Right now, we don't have any CSS in this program. Example 43, no CSS is there. only plain HTML. Now my paragraph displaying with our regular color black and white because I'm not applied any CSS. I'm not applied any CSS. Page to page, if you want to change it, write the code again and again and again, sir. దానికి కూడా నా పర్మిషన్ కావాలా? If you want to apply the separate styles for every page, you can write the code again and again and again. There is no other option. External CSS for only all pages, same style. You need separate style for the each and every page. Write the separate CSS program. First run this program. No style is applied, sir. Now I'm going to implementing the external CSS. Already developed together. Same I'm linking here. Link rel equals to style sheet. href equals to mystyles.css. Close this. Run the program. Which style applied, sir? External applied, right? As per that, what we are feeling, sir? Oh, external CSS is first priority. Match not completed. First over completed. First over India win, and how it is possible? No, Amma. Next, style. So what is this style? Internal CSS. We are writing the style tag that is representing internal CSS. Internal CSS inside paragraph tag. Same paragraph. So paragraph color equals to, yeah, which color already blue na? Red I am going to apply. Color equals to red. But run this program. Which color? Red color. Two styles applied, red color applied. But as per this, which is high priority or first importance? No importance. Top to bottom execution order. Top to bottom execution order. Because in external CSS in which line is there? 8th line. Internal CSS which line is there? 10th line. But 8th line is executing a first, 10th line executing a first, 8th line executing. After that, 10th line executing. Our final output which is visible to you? 10th line impact is comes to final output. 8th line after 10th line is executing, sir. First applying the 8th line styles, then applying the 10th line style. At last output is comes to the 10th line. As per that, we are feeling external or something external now. I'll show the small gambling operation. See this one. Shift the code here now. Hmm? Now see this one. As a small gambling processor. No priorities, no importances. First this one running, next this one running. Don't feel like that. It's a wrong thought. First come, first service process. When I'm running the program top to bottom, first which style is appeared, that style I'm applying. Next which style is appeared, that style I'm applying. So as per that, first style is replaced by the second style is replaced by the third style. But now comes to inline, sir. Inline also. Style equals to color followed by red. Style equals to color followed by red. But final output, red color. Reason, a red color style in which line available? 17th line available. So lastly applied is the inline. The lastly applied is inline. First, as per my coding, first external style applied. External is overwriting by the internal. Internal is overwriting by the inline because of order. Because of order. Without overwriting, three styles applying not possible, sir. Yes, sir, possible. But here my intention what, sir, and order of execution showing is my intentional. Then only all selectors inside what I'm doing, sir, coloring I'm applying. Then only we can identify the order. If I take the different properties, sir, order identification impossible. 100% not possible, sir. So my intention, why the same style, three models following, sir, highlighting the priorities process. But now run the same program with the different styles, sir. All three are playing, obviously. 100% all three are playing. Change it. Okay, before changing, small conclusion. What I explained just. So I developed external, I developed internal, and I've developed inline. Inline. What is the applying order? What is applying order? Huh? First external, next internal, next inline. Next, I defined first internal. Next, I defined the external, and then I defined the inline. What is the applying order? Huh? First, internal applying. Second, external applying. At last, inline applying. The process. అక్కడ ఆర్డర్ చేంజ్ see that one. External first, here internal first, because order shuffled. As per the order, it is going to changing the options. But one common point, what? Inline is the last applying style. That's a common point. Inline next, we can't write external. Inline is the last thing. After that, HTML tag and tag closing. Sir, online students all are busy. Huh? There are two questions I asked. No answer for any question. Full busy. Huh? Next, same program I'm redesigning, sir, rewriting with the different properties. Get the clarity first. Once again, I'm deleting this and writing the CSS once again with the different settings and with the different properties. First external. Okay, this also delete it, sir. Will run fresh from the beginning. No styles, plain format. And then I'm applying the external CSS. Now program comes with output external styles. Next one, sir. Internal, I'm writing paragraph. Don't take the color, take any other than the color, whatever it may be. Huh? Font size. We don't know the properties. What we discussed within that, I'll try to cover. So width equals to some 500 pixels. Width of the paragraph 500 pixels. So internal CSS applying the width, external CSS applying the color, right? Now check it. Width applied together. 500 and how much? 500. This is 500 pixels. The 500 pixels over. After that, paragraph is cutting and moving the next paragraph to balance data is goes to next line. The empty space because I'm controlling the width of the paragraph. Next one, inline or internal, sorry, external, internal, both applied. Then comes to the inline. What we have to write, sir? Align, we know option. In HTML, so many times used. That align, while comes to the CSS, it becomes as a text align. Text align equals to center. Text align equals to center. That is same as to align in our CS HTML concept. But inline what it is applying, sir? Alignment applying. Internal width applying. External color applying. And final output is comes with three styles. Center is there, width is there, and color is also applied. Is it center or sir? Center is sir. Observe carefully. If you see normally, it's not look like a center. But concentration observe it. మనకి మెయిన్ ప్రాబ్లమే కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అది జనరల్ అది బేసిక్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అది when I asked observe that one it ఇడుగుతారు అది you have to see like this not like this అది alignment equals to center అది perfectly available in center. Like already I explained the align center option కదా align left align center align justify couple of programs we used that one. What I said that day, lot of people are thinking wrongly. Align center means tag is moving to the center, but tag not moving the center. Data comes to center of the tag and clear. Yes, my data available in center of the my paragraph. But edge we have lot of gaps, sir. This is not my paragraph. My paragraph available up to this only. So this is my paragraph, sir. Inside this paragraph, I have center my data. See that one. My paragraph not occupied the full space. My paragraph occupied only 500 or 600 as per given measurement. This is my paragraph. In that paragraph, my data center is there. See that one. If I'm not applied the width, my paragraph is takes the full space. But you are feeling it's a center of the web page. Actually, it's not center of the web page. That is also center of the paragraph. I clearly mentioned this point in previous discussions. Lot of people are wrongly thinking that point. But today, no positive response from your side. Negative responses coming, negative reactions, and explanations waste. Huh? They are explanations waste. But that day clearly pointed out that one. So many people are thinking like this. This is not right. This is the right end. Or where is a positive vibrations not coming? Negative vibrations are coming. And the more points you don't want to explain. And they go, that is only a. I'm explaining, sir. If you are not remembering, sir, time waste to money waste, and this simple. 2 months time waste, some amount of money wasted. Every explanations for practicing and remembering. Hmm? think every time we already discussed together, it's not possible every time. Huh? You have to remember your minimum responsibility. Conclusion. If you apply three styles on any HTML tag, on any HTML element or tag, the final output is comes with three styles. Inline is comes to your output, internal also comes to your output, external also comes to your output. But overwriting when it is going on surrender, in all the three styles, if you use the same property, in inline, in internal, in also external, then overwriting is going on. And normally we are never using the same property. Same property using it twice or three times writing code, time waste here. But why you explain, sir? I want to convey one message to you. No priorities, no importances, just program applying the style top to bottom program point conveying. So don't prefer the same property in all the CS. Meaningless. But background knowledge also required. I just explained the point and removed also a program, not saved. That program I rewritten with this one. But what I did, sir, external is applying the color, internally is applying the width, and inline is applying the alignment. The final output is comes with the color, width, and also alignment. That is what you are watching on the base browser. Data available in center. Who is applied that one? Which CSS applied that one? Inline CSS. Color comes in blue color. Who is the reason? External reason. Paragraph full screen is not coming. Some portion only coming. Who is the reason? Narendra Modi reason. Narendra Modi. Internal. Sure. But final output you are watching. Mixing of all the three styles. Mixing of all the three styles. So my personal suggestion, when you are implementing all the styles, don't repeat the properties. If you repeat the same setting in all, sir, energy, time both waste. Simple. Hmm. Next, one more conclusion, sir. One more conclusion, sir. But three styles you applied. Which one we have to remember? Which one we have to follow, sir? But actually, practicing programs, your choice, Amma. No suggestion. So you can use any of that one because first concept understanding important. Concept understanding is completed. Then we have to think about the implementations. Practicing programs, your wish. I'm also following sometimes inline, sometimes internal, sometimes external. But after the CSS completion, we are designing some applications, demo projects. At that time, I think seriously, I'm following the external only. So real-time implementations, so assignments cases, assignment scenarios, or when you are developing your own tasks or original real-time coding, always prefer the external styles only. Always prefer the external styles. Practicing, warm up, trials, these all are your choice. Next one, where to implement the CSS point over, sir. Next, locations identified together. These are the possible areas to develop the CSS. Areas completed. Next, choose the building styles. Styles. So properties. Because a style is a group of properties. So we are introducing the CSS properties. Continuously 50, 60 properties continuously. I'm going to explaining, sir. How tags continuously one by one we discussed. Now CSS also continuously we are discussing. After this, we are starting the application designings. So CSS properties. What is the first property, sir? Yesterday onwards, we are using that one without discussions, color. You already used it, sir, without explanation. Now we are discussing it. So the first one is colors, property. From today onwards, coming 4 5 days, continuously we are working with properties. Name of the property, syntax example. Property, syntax example. That's all. These all 50 plus properties are completed, sir. We'll get an idea how to apply the styles. What is the use of this property, sir? This property used to change the color of text, to change the color of text as well as the data. Any HTML tag, any HTML tag, data color if you want to change, you can use this one. We know so many HTML tags, sir. Take any of the tag and change the color by using these properties. Tag color not changing. Tag color not changing. Tag inside data color change. I think a lot of people tag color, data color thinking same. And no, sir. On real life photos point of view, foreground color, background color, and two colors available, both are same. Not HTML. Real life I'm talking. General knowledge point of view. Foreground color, background color. Available? A door which color? అది బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కలర్. నరేష్ ఐటి which కలర్? అది ఫోర్గ్రౌండ్ కలర్. అది మీకు జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ కూడా వీ హ్యావ్ టు టీచ్ అది. Extra money 500 rupees. A lot of general knowledge points I'll explain future. But 500 rupees per head. Per day కాదు, per head. And 2 months how many points you are learning extra, that all 500 rupees అనమాట. మా బాయ్స్ అంటే కలర్స్ లో వీక్ అమ్మా. మీరు స్ట్రాంగ్ కదా కలర్స్ లో. శారీ పర్చేసింగ్ అంటే వెరైటీ కలర్స్, డ్రెస్ పర్చేసింగ్ అంటే వెరైటీ కలర్స్. మీకు కూడా తెలియదా? ఓకే, ఫోర్గ్రౌండ్ కలర్, బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కలర్ అండ్ టూ కలర్స్ అవైలబుల్ సార్. ఫోర్గ్రౌండ్ కలర్ అంటే వాల్ కలర్. But if I write any letters on this wall, sir, that letters also yellow color I'm using. Wall already yellow. Letters also yellow, na? No. Letters color separate. A letters color is called as the foreground color. మీ photos లో foreground, background compulsory కదా మనకి. This is wall color, means tag color. Letters color means this one. So color property, tag color not changing. Tag inside content available na, hi, hello, enter username, enter password. Those data color changing. Being created. Next syntax, sir. Color followed by color specification. Color followed by color specification. What is this color specification variety pronunciation, sir? That generally we are using red, green, blue color spellings, but it is not encourageable process. For 5 minutes after we will get the clarity. We have to specify the color. That is called as the color specification. Next, the second property is background hyphen color. This is changing the color of tag. Your tag element is there, no? The tag color changing this one. So this property used to change the color of element. Nothing but a tag. To change the color of element. It is not changing the data color. Second property, text color not changing. First property, tag color not changing. Two separate properties. Syntax almost same, sir. Background hyphen color followed by once again color specification. Background hyphen color followed by color specification. These are the two properties, sir. One more property is there. What is that, sir? And border color. Border. Sometimes we are drawing the boxes or lines here. By default, lines are comes in black color in generally. Existing line color, if you want to change it, border color separate property is there. Border hyphen color. This property used to change to change line color. మనకి టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్స్ యు నో వెరీ వెల్. లైన్స్ కమింగ్ టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్. ఫీల్డ్ సెట్ ఆల్సో టేబుల్ లైన్స్ కమ్స్. హెచ్ఆర్ ట్యాగ్ ఆల్సో లైన్ డ్రాయింగ్ కదా. By default, those all the lines comes in black color in generally. Even when you create the text box also, box black color box is there. That color also I want to change it, sir. Use this one. Whenever you observe the lines are borders, if you want to change that lines or borders color, use this one. So syntax border hyphen color colon once again color specification. Once again color specification. So now, what is the color specification, sir? That is, I'm going to explain. Color specification in the sense how to mention the color, how to write the color details. That is called as the color specifications. In CSS, so many models are there to specify the colors. Most three popular models I'm going to explaining. Major three models. We can mention, we can specify. We can specify colors in different ways. Those are the first one is named colors. First option, named colors. The first option is named colors. What is the meaning of named colors, sir? Spot explanation. Named colors in the sense color name you can write directly. Red, green, blue, yellow, pink, orange, gray, cyan. In real life, you know so many colors. Colors spellings you can write. By chance, your spelling browser understanding it will get outputted. By chance. Your spelling browser not understanding, sir. Default black and white comes automatically. After applying the color, still output is comes black and white, sir. The only reason spelling problem. Or your specified color browser not striking and meaning is that one. So we given that extraordinary color and meaning. We can specify directly color name. We can specify directly color name. That is called as the named colors. That is called as named colors. Examples are, write your spellings, red, green, blue, whatever it may be. For 30, 40 colors, you know, na? How many colors names you know? 50, yeah. 50. Boom. Huh? 10 now. Like this. Directly write the spelling. Where I have to write this spelling, sir? Either here or here or here. In these three places, I have to write the spelling directly here. And the three places, write your color spelling directly. Next, second model, Princess Pinka. Charles Pink are not available. Baby pink, I know that one. Normal popular color, that one. Mostly you are using that one, baby pink. Princess pink, and the first time I heard that one. And second one, hexadecimal colors, sir. Hexadecimal colors, second model. So what is this, sir? For every color, one hexadecimal code is there. We know already hexadecimal codes. Recently, we worked with currency symbols, so smiley symbols, so hash 1, 2, 3, 4 something. Like that, colors also hexadecimal codes are there. Somebody calling as color codes. color codes. How to write color codes, sir? And in hexadecimal format. Every color code should comes in the form of hexadecimal mode. Remember, hexadecimal starts with the hash symbol. Yes, our color codes also starts with the hash symbol. Common point. So we can specify color codes instead of color names. We can specify color code uh, in the form of hexadecimal. In the form of hexadecimal. So how they comes are same, sir. Hash starting 6 digits. 6 digits hash after. 6 digits no కదా between the 0 to F. Hexadecimal అంటే 0 to 15 కదా. Hexadecimal base 16 అంటే 0 to F. Between 0 to F, write any 6 digits. 6 digits related one color is going to displaying by the browser. Second syntax also available, sir. Hash 3 digit syntax also available. Two syntaxes, 6 digit syntax and 3 digit syntax. Just for an idea purpose, I'm writing, sir. Hexadecimal, sir. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that, A, B, C, D, E, and F. These are the hexadecimal codes, 16 characters. What you are writing here, 6 digits, they should be come from these 16 only. Or what are the 3 digits you are writing? They should be come from these 3 digits only. 16 digits you have to write. Examples, sir. Hash 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Black color. Lower value represents the black color, sir. Lower bound. Higher bound represents always white color. Least value black representation. Highest value white representation. So this is the black representation. At a 0, 0, 0, 0 means black already defined. When you write the 1, 2, 8, 5, 2, 1 smiley symbol, how it will comes? When you write like this, system applying the black color. Or what about the 3 digits format, sir? Actually, it's 6 zeros. We can also write in 3 digits format also like this. 0, 0, 0. Black A. That is black. This is black. Or why the two syntaxes, sir? Suppose for this, we don't have any shortcut. But I want to write this one in 3 digits, sir. Not possible. Because 6 digits, 6 different digits. When you have the repeated digits, means double two, double six, double B, sir. This we can write 26B. Two twos, two sixes, two B's. The same digit two times repeating it. So instead of two twos, write one single two. Instead of two sixes, write one single six. Instead of two B's, write only one B. So when you have the repeated code like this is becomes shortcut. So it's nothing special, sir. Just simplifying this long into the shortcut. Hash compulsory. The actual code, this is 3 digit syntax. When you don't have the repetitions, sir, compulsory 6 digits you have to follow. It actually hexadecimal code specification. How many colors we have like this, sir, total? And how many colors of CSS HTML is supported, sir? Any guess? Total supported colors. How many colors? 16, 1600 plus. Our HTML, CSS supported total 16 millions of colors. 1 crore 60 lakhs of colors minimum it supported, sir. We have that number of colors. 16 millions of colors. 1 crore 60 lakhs of colors we have. Really that number of colors available as sir. Best example those only. Mhm. And those and not only those, one housewife available. Ask the madam, maybe your mummy also, or married అయితే your wife. Hmm? Show your all sarees and dresses. Or two shelves available, big shelves. Two racks, not sorry, two shelves. One rack, four shelves. Only second rack, four shelves. Total 8 shelves. Dresses colors, if you count it, easily will get the 100 colors above. More than 100 colors there comes. Yeah. Mm. After marriage, I think you will find the 300, 400 colors also. Mm. At one side, saris, number of colors. Only Punjabis, number of colors. Chudidars, number of colors. Half saris, gagra, yeah, these number of dresses. Dresses types, we have these number of. Our colors, how many available? మన బాయ్స్ ఏముంది సార్ బ్లాక్ బ్లూ రెడ్ గ్రీన్ వైట్ అంతే దట్స్ ఆల్ we have 10 dresses in the 2 dresses blue 2 dresses black 1 dress white that is అయిపోయా maximum అయితే 2 khaki color brown color అయిపోయా month rotation you know కదా boys black jeans Monday white shirt Tuesday blue shirt Thursday red shirt next day is something 1 week completed next second week blue jeans well again white maroon light blue this one like that next 2 weeks after washing the clothes multi cycle process మన కాలేజ్ డేస్ హాస్టల్ టైము దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ బాడీ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ మై సెల్ఫ్ ఆల్సో 3 ప్యాంట్స్ షర్ట్స్ 15 days విల్ మేనేజ్ దిస్ వన్ మనకి మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అవైలబుల్ కదా పర్మిటేషన్స్ అండ్ కాంబినేషన్స్ 15 days count it mostly boys college days this we are following so really sir 16 million colors are the least thing actually more than that also we have minimum but that number of colors and names we don't know sir then only the hex codes they're providing names remembering problem and it's moreover some colors names we don't know also then only HTML providing simply color codes when you write the color some shades comes huh? 6 F F F F F F 6 Fs or 3 F shortcut 3 F full form 6 F highest value this is next conclusion you have to write this code again in the any of these 3 places either this one or this one next the third one RGB the third one is the RGB So what is this RGB, sir? You know very well, real life also it's very popular. Red, green and blue. R for red, G for green, blue, B for blue. RGB combination. So what is the special of this one, sir? First of all, RGB is a predefined function in CSS. function. Like as me programming language is a printf for scanf for functions available. No? Like this is one of the function. How can say that, sir? Brackets representation what? It is a function. Any English word ending open parenthesis, closing parenthesis available, compulsory it should be a function in any subject. Blind indicationary. English word ending bracket to bracket available, compulsory it is a function. Hmm. So RGB is a predefined function. Predefined function. So what is the use of this function, sir? This function used to mix the colors or to prepare your own shades. Color mixing, producing your own shades. So Telugu students, last week you went to home gather, girls especially. What is the special festival special? Bogi day night in front of your main door. You did anything? What is that rangoli? When you started the rangoli, initially colors available, but after completion of half rangoli, colors shortage. No colors. Time already night 11 o'clock. क्या करेंगे? हाँ? Mixing. How? लगे? అంతే కదా. So the common things that recently we also faced that one. Pongal festival అంటే Telugu states rangoli full. If you see the, especially in villages environment, every main gate before a big rangoli county. By chance, suddenly, if any shortages comes, colors are existing colors, they're mixing and will get the new shades also. RGB is doing the same thing, color mixing, producing your own shades. That it is used to mix the colors and produces different shades. Next, what is the syntax and how to apply it, sir? RGB of red comma, green comma, blue. RGB of red comma, green comma, blue. Syntax, sir. And not spelling, sir. First you have to write the red quantity. Next you have to write the green quantity. You want to mix the colors. First this much of color, this much of color. 2 spoons, mana cooking channels available. 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Take into all into one bowl. Mix it. Mixing you are experts here. Hmm. Hmm. Color spelling not allowed. Color quantity allowed. Color quantity. So in 3 places you have to write the each color quantity. By chance, if any color I don't want to mix it, sir, in that place write the 0. So when you write the 0, that color not participating. Suppose 30 comma 100 comma 0. But which two colors mixing, sir? Red and green only mixing, blue not participating. Suppose if I write the 0 here, sir, red blue mixing, green not participating. If I write here also, sir, 3 colors participating, we will get the differentiated. So this specification, which color you are not interested to combine, that place you just take the 0. Next, can I write my own number, any number, sir? 3000 or 300 or minus something? No, sir. Limits available. The minimum value of range of the each color. So range of each color is 0 to 255. Range of each color is 0 to 255. Minimum value 0, maximum value 255. Any color, all 3 colors should not exceed the 0 to 255. If first value you are writing as something, This value compulsory in the range of this one. And this is also compulsory in the range of this one. And this is also compulsory in the range of this one. Any color, minimum 0, maximum is 255. By chance, if I give in the 300 or 400, sir, not accepting the browser. Highest number 255 only. By chance, if I given, sir, browser's own color producing. These are the three popular color specifications that theoretically completed. And we have to see one example, then we'll get some more idea, clarity. We'll see on tomorrow session. Thank you all. Online candidates, any questions?
Said that in one program we created external file, internal and inline. So it's better that we create an external CSS dot file name and create some field properties like color give, style give, or alignment give. It is better, sir. It is better to use, sir.
That I already said,
Yes, sir.
that I already announced, sir.
Because we have create our own ambiguity, sir. Ambiguity problem. Because and reading purpose it is very clear, sir. Because I we showed it in paragraph. We create a style this type, alignment this type, color this type. So it is better to understand, sir. I think.
If you write the code anywhere, concept same, there is no problem about that one. But background memory management changing it. Memory management changing it.
And sir, one more thing is there. We created one file, and there is only one link statement is there.
Yes.
Huh?
We can write multiple links.
Multiple links.
A.css, B.css, C.css. Any number of CSS you can link up.
And so one important is if the value is repeated, so we can create our 3 digit. So 000 will be created. A will be created. Matlab this type. Okay. So
Repeated scenario only.
it is always better to create a matlab external CSS file. Always. So I'm in beginner level. Can I go for VS Code, sir?
Your choice, no problem. Do you want to get the coding grip, coding control? VS Code not suggestion. So you want to get the practicing experience at the VS Code. You want to get the coding wise full knowledge, full command on the coding side. In the VS Code, not better. Reason in VS Code, every line you are not right.
Sir, VS Code is also showing output is with the same.
Output showing how much knowledge we are gaining. Is it for? How many you are remembering? That is important.
Okay.
For VS Code ID, right? In that every line you are typing.
Yes, sir.
Every line you are going to type in manually.
No, abbreviation.
Some you are writing, some system
system is writing.
how you
Just like sir, I have a doc tag, so you will create all those.
that only, sir. How you are getting knowledge, how you are getting that is
Little. Not so clear.
no. So proper all tags you are remembering us, no guarantee.
No, sir.
All attributes you are remembering us, no guarantee.
Always
The system typing the automatically. You are depending on system. You are getting relaxed. Your brain
not understand. So beginner level, sir, Notepad plus is your
edit plus or notepad plus.
so edit plus is a paid course. It is a license.
No problem. 1 month free trial is comes here.
Ah.
1 month after it is asking license.
Ah.
A box just a drag it
Drag
and
down.
you can continue.
Okay.
Yes, sir. VS Code it becomes lazy as it makes us as a lazy.